Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your Gmail password on a laptop. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where your passwords are saved. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Passwords and Autofill. Next, click on Google Password Manager. In the Password Manager, you'll see a list of saved passwords for different websites and apps. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find accounts.google.com or gmail.com. Click on the saved Gmail account you want to view. For security, Windows or Chrome may ask you to verify your identity by entering your computer password, PIN, or fingerprint. After verification, click on the eye icon or Show Password button. Your saved Gmail password will now be visible. And that's how you can view your saved Gmail password on a laptop using Google Password Manager. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.